Okay, let's try. What makes a good friend? Nagpapautang. Bumabayad ng utang. Nagbabayad ng utang. Binabayaran ng utang. Another one. If you were the principal of the school for a day, what changes would you make? Well, if I were a principal of this school for a day, the changes would I make is recess all day. Isa pa. How would you convince someone to visit your favorite place? I would tell them that my favorite place is a very good place. Walay traffic. Limpyo. Dili hugaw. Dili guot. Ug disiplinado ang mga tao. Asa pa man? Sa Davao. Because life is here.